Hello and welcome to another video of Poppers Academy, and in today's video we'll learn about elements in Poppers canvas. So let's just jump right in. So basically we have many elements in Poppers canvas that we can add into our drag and drop builder, but in today's video we will just walk through the basic elements. So we have two basic elements in Poppers canvas. The first one is text and the another one is the button. So first let's jump to text. I'll click on this. So now you can see I have a text box over here. So whatever I will write, it will be reflected over here. So let's just write creating a YouTube video pop-up. So yeah, it's there, and it's, you can stretch it or do something like that. Then you can change the color according to you, and then you can choose font. We have many fonts over there, and if you are not getting the font that you want for your template, then you can upload yours. Yeah, it's looking fine. So what I'll do is I can increase the font size from here. Yeah, it's looking fine. Then I can align it left, center, right. Then I can bold it, do italicize, underline, or line through as well. Right now I don't want these. So yeah, I don't want italicize as well. And then here you can see you can increase the letter spacing from here, line spacing from here, and you can do uppercase, lowercase, this kind of stuff. I think it's looking fine. Then if you want to make it clickable, you can click here, and you have to just enter the link. Like you can kind of also make it to redirect to certain step as well, so you can play around with it. And then we have count as conversion or not, you wanna open it in a new tab or not, or something like that. Also, then we have animations over here, right? And you can see in animations we have flash animation, pulse, then we have wobble. There are so many animations. you know Choose whatever suits your template, and then you want to add delay or not. Then we have different kind of speeds as well, and how many times you want to show the animation. Is it repeatable, infinite, or something like that? And delay as well. So if I'll do 2 times, then 2 times it will be animated. Then there are effects. Yeah, if you want to add effect, you can do that as well. If you want to add the thickness to the effect, you can do as well. So yeah, there are certain things you can do. And then we have transparency. If you wanna make it translucent, transparent, something like that, you can do that. And yeah, it is all about text. Then let's go back and check what we caught in buttons. So yeah, buttons is also similar to text. This is a button. Then you can change color of the text from here. Then you can change the font size. Is font, like if you want to change font, you can do it here from here. It's kind of drag and drop as well, so you can drag and drop it wherever you want. And then you can bold, italicize, underline, line through, same as we have done in text threading. Then we have actions. From you can perform different actions using the button, like form submit, close pop-up, open link, spin the wheel, go to step. There are certain things you can do, like if I will click on this, it should go to step 2. Then it will be done. And mark it as conversion or not, that thing can also be done through this. Then you can add borders like this. You can change the background color of the pop-up, no, the button, sorry, from here. Then the animations that I have already told you. We have paddings as well. If you want to add padding like this, you know and if you don't want to add animation, because in buttons animations can sometimes be intrusive, so yeah, it's like that. You can do everything from here, and after everything is complete, you can click on this to see the preview. So yeah, that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll see more about media elements in Popper, which are images, gifs, and videos. And next we will see forms, then shop, then urgency and gamification, then advanced. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.